This is not an accurate representation of Jon Bear. Check this out. Did you know that you look ugly? Be honest.
Which one of us would you rather date? The guy over there with the wide googly eyes and enormous nose? Or me, the handsome guy with a flattering proportioned face? Seducing
you right now. Oh, I know. Today I'm gonna talk about why professional photographers are likely to have better than you do with your
Cue intro.
Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm depressed and I make awesome videos about waving my 50mm a lot of disc in the bathroom. So if that's something you're into, then hit that subscribe button. Okay, so why does the moon really friggin' far away? Well, way back for on beautiful the moon wants much closer to the Earth. So what's going on? Well, experts believe that the moon is away at about like this reason meters per year. The moon as first works close the rotation of the Earth. It gets a little complicated. That the rotation stretches the spiders. I'm heavy work on the moon as is for intro. This pulls the moon factor, giving the moon more for intro. It launches to seeing the moon remains the window for intro wider somehow. And of course, close now actor. All of a sudden the moon looks like a little dimple. Cool, good to know, right? Tell me if this sounds familiar. You go into the bathroom, you look in the mirror.
How am I doing today, Gary Busey?
Now you're
doing great!
Tell me if this sounds familiar. You're watching of the room on your phone.
We got a new client at the bank. What client? I cannot tell you, it's confidential.
And all of a sudden you're flooded.
Already? Yeah, I'm sorry.
Alright, it's on me.
Yeah.
See you, Mark. Go jogging?
Yeah, sure. What time?
Now you're depressed. Well, when you hold
everything, your face.
Other. Let's look at the example from the beginning again. The main difference is that one of them is using an ugly lens, and I'm standing pretty far away from the camera. Here's a crazy consideration: to pick up a hot babes and go out and try to. Next time you see the hot babes, take out your dick. It makes women go far away. It's really quite wild.
That's a beautiful person.
Nobody wants to date me. This is why I love meth, because your brain sort of zooms in on what you're looking at. It makes you thinner and it's inspired me to do awesome videos.